Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to display, how to represent our data into tabular structure. So let's start. I will create one file with the name table1.html. Okay. So we should first tell to the browser this time what you want to create, one table, one list, paragraph, how you want to display the content. So I'm telling to my browser, you display the content as a table. So now table means you must be having the rows and columns, right? Without rows and columns, we cannot create the table. So let's give the rows and columns. So first we'll go live from here. Is running. I'll just go live. Okay. So we are getting the output here. Let's split the screen. Okay. So now I'm telling to the browser create the table. Okay, browser will create the table. Now browser is asking, give the table rows and table columns. So table column tag we don't have, rather we have table heading. Okay, so the first table heading is a name. Okay, I will save the code and I'm going to refresh it. So I got a name. Next table heading, see this colon I am going to remove from here. Next table heading is age. We'll save the code and refresh. I got age. Again, next table heading is, let's say, city. We'll save and we'll refresh. I got a city. So table heading means column names. Because whenever we are creating the table, we will be having column names, right? So these three are the column names. So first row of your table, see, the first row of my table is all the column headings. The first row of your table is all the column headings. That's all. So I'll refresh this. See, like this I am getting. What about the second table row? So the second row of the table should be the data of these three columns, right? So I should instruct to the browser, it is a table data. For a name, what is the table data? I'm writing Priya. For age, what is the table data? I'm writing 27. For city, what is the table data? I'm writing Pune. We'll save the code and refresh. See, properly it has displayed the content in table structure. Let's insert one more row, guys. This is one more row. Okay. Inside this table data, what is the name? Name is, let's say, Ankit. Okay. Below that, what is the table data next? Age is, let's say, 30. Next, what is the city? I'll just write Mumbai. We'll save the code and refresh. See, I got the table data. Okay. So first row is a column heading, table heading. Second row, third row. Got it? So now you might be thinking, ma'am, where is the border? Border is only missing for the table. So we will just write border here. Border attribute. Now styling we will learn in CSS. Just write border. We got the border for our table. So like this, we can represent the data into tabular structure just by using this simple table tags. Okay. So now let's understand rowspan and colspan attribute which we can use in this table tags. Okay. So the entire table I am going to copy. I will create one new file with the name table2.html and inside this we'll paste the entire code. Okay. We'll save the code and let's go live for this particular code. Okay. The output remain as it is, this and the previous one. So now in this, see, let's say for Priya the city is Pune, for Ankit also the city is Pune only. Okay, like this. Priya and Ankit both belongs to Pune city. So now instead of displaying 2 times Pune, Pune, I want to merge these 2 rows. See, only for this 2 and I want to display the Pune here. So see, I will target this Pune first. Where it is? In the Priya's row. So this is the row, Priya's row. In this is the Pune data. So here I will use rowspan attribute, rowspan, which is used to span the rows. So I am telling See where I'm using row span? Here, only here. So merge this particular row with the next row, with this row. So here I'll just write 2. Current row and the next row you merge, and for them the value is Pune. Now if I refresh, see it has merged. So this particular row and this row got merged and the value is Pune. So now this